Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making a delicious and nutritious powerhouse drink, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This vibrant concoction features some amazing ingredients: beets, carrots, ginger, lemon, and parsley, all known for their incredible health benefits. So let's get chopping and learn a little about each superstar ingredient as we go. Beets. First up, we have the beautiful beet. Not only does it add a stunning color to our drink, but beets are also a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and B6. They're also rich in antioxidants known to support healthy blood pressure and detoxification. Carrots. Next, we have the vibrant carrot. This classic veggie is loved for its beta-carotene content, which converts to vitamin A in the body. Carrots are also a good source of potassium and fiber, promoting healthy digestion and vision. Garlic and ginger. Now, let's add some powerhouses of flavor and health benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and may help with digestion. Garlic, on the other hand, is another antioxidant superstar that can boost the immune system. Parsley. Let's not forget this little green gem, parsley. Often used as a garnish, parsley packs a punch when it comes to vitamins K and C. It also adds a fresh, slightly peppery flavor to our drink. Lemon. Finally, the zesty lemon. This citrus fruit is a great source of vitamin C, which further boosts our immune system and adds a refreshing touch to our drink. Putting it all together! This is just a basic recipe. Feel free to adjust the quantities based on your taste preference. You can even add other fruits and vegetables, like apples or leafy greens, for an extra nutritional kick. There you have it, a delicious and healthy drink packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This is a fantastic way to start your day, or enjoy a refreshing pick-me-up throughout the afternoon. Thanks for joining me in making this powerhouse drink. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious ideas.